The local badge of the Zen crypto stage would one say one is of the freshest digital forms of money out there. However, what is XEN? We should investigate and see what we can learn about it. And furthermore analyze what not many XEN value expectations were being made starting around the 14th of October 2022. What is XEN? In the realm of digital currency and blockchain innovation, there are, at last, two various types of crypto, despite the fact that where the separating line lies is fairly easily proven wrong. One is the distinction among coins and tokens. In case it isn't already obvious, each crypto is a token, yet only one out of every odd token is a coin. This appears to be a minor differentiation in the event that you don't have the foggiest idea about your crypto. However, assuming you do, it's vital. Set forth plainly, coins depend all alone blockchain, while tokens depend on another person's. While this can prompt some naming disarray, in light of the fact that cryptos with coin in their name are in some cases everything except, and there is the topic of characterizing the couple of blockchainless cryptos like Wave, this is a decent specialized part. Another is between Bitcoin, the first, most popular, and biggest digital money, and altcoins, which are, to utilize the straightforward definition, each and every other coin that isn't Bitcoin. To be sure, it very well may be contended that any crypto, even tokens, can be depicted as an altcoin by that definition. One more separation in the realm of cryptographic money divides that of the bigger cryptos and the more modest ones. There is a hypothesis that this split is fairly counterfeit, all things considered. There are a lot of cryptos that have been a quite huge thing and afterward wound up disappearing into indefinite quality. Similarly, there are many instances of coins or, more probable, tokens that have been someplace in the far-off foundation just for reasons unknown to have shot to unmistakable quality. One issue here is with the manner by which financial backers and potential financial backers treat bigger and more modest cryptos. Greater cryptos frequently will generally draw in financial backers who clutch them for some time prior to selling them. At the point when enough individuals begin selling, different financial backers will generally stress over the cost, which, in the event that market influences turn out as expected, will have begun dropping, prompting the exemplary siphon and dump execution. Then again, more modest cryptos frequently stay there, with most of the coins and tokens held by pioneers and early adopters, influenced indeed by the presentation of the crypto market. All in all, Zen Crypto is a stage that is pointed toward tackling this issue. The plan's own local token, XEN, is intended to be open, straightforward, and fair. The framework permits individuals who have Ethereum wallets to mint XEN with them. There is no restriction to the amount XEN can exist, despite the fact that, to cite the framework's white paper, XEN has no cap. But as an ever-increasing number of individuals join and take part in stamping, it will be more enthusiastically to create more XEN because of normally slanting reception bend, which is logarithmic in nature. This will make XEN tokenomics disinflationary in nature. Zen Crypto was established in 2022 by a Jack Levin, who professes to have worked for Google prior to becoming keen on digital money. While there is a Jack Levin who worked for the tech monster during the 1990s, there is some debate with regards to whether this is a similar individual or another person claiming to be him. It is critical to recollect that, since XEN depends on the Ethereum blockchain, it is a token instead of a mint piece. You could see references to such things as a XEN coin cost forecast, yet these are off base. We should now project our eyes over the, yet short, XEN cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the brief period that it has been around can assist with giving us some vital setting to one or the other make or decipher a Zen Crypto cost expectation. XEN previously went onto the open market on the 9th of October 2022. It opened at $0, yet its cost then spiked because of developing interest in the token, and it arrived at a record high of $3.68 sometime thereafter, which right now remains as the symbolic's unsurpassed high. From that point forward, however, once more, it destroyed back and, starting around the 14th of October 2022, it was exchanging at about $0. It merits bringing up that the token was accounted for to have experienced an assault after somebody worked out a method for printing it without paying any gas charges, albeit the crypto has likewise been considered answerable for countless ETH consumes. One way or the other, it is likewise essential to note at this stage that there is no course figure for the new crypto, meaning it doesn't have a recorded market cap. XEN cost forecast gathered together. With that all said and done, we should now investigate a portion of the Zen Crypto cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 14th of October 2022. Noticing a couple of things here is significant. In the first place, cost estimates, particularly for something as possibly unstable as another digital money, regularly turn out to be off base. Second, some long-haul crypto value expectations are made utilizing a calculation and that implies that they can change whenever. Third, the new send-off of Zen Crypto really intends that there is less history for estimates to go on, which implies, thusly, that there are less of them than there may be for a more drawn-out serving, better laid-out digital money. To begin with, framed a XEN cost expectation that said the token might have reached $0 year from now and $0 2024. By 2025, the site said XEN might have exchanged at $0 might have happened to $0 2026, $0 2027 and $0 2028 and shut the 10 years at $0. The site then, at that point, proceeded to make a XEN cost expectation for 2030 that it might have reached $0, it might have ascended to $0 2031. Then, was somewhat wary as far as its XEN crypto cost expectation. It recommended the token might have remained at $0 the finish of 2022 and at $0 October 2023 preceding it might have accomplished $0 2024. The site proceeded to make a XEN cost expectation for 2025 that it might have opened the year at $0, still been at $0 October and might have happened to $0 December. By October 2026, the token might have exchanged at $0, shut the year at a similar worth. At last, had a XEN cost expectation for 2022 that said the token could be esteemed at $0 the year's over. By October 2023, the site said that XEN might have been valued at $0 year from that point, and in October 2025, $0. By October 2026, the site thought the Zen Crypto might have reached $0 happened to $0 October 2027. A year from that point, the token might have exchanged at $0 might have accomplished $0 June 2029. By August 2030, the site thought the crypto might have been evaluated at $0, with it figured to have shut 2031 at $0. While considering a XEN token cost expectation, it's critical to remember that digital money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. In that capacity, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectation. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital money coins or tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and crucial examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any venture choice. Remember that previous presentation is no assurance of future returns. What's more, never exchange with cash that you can't stand to lose. At this stage, it is difficult to let regardless of whether no that is the situation. A ton will rely on how XEN responds to showcase occasions. In unstable cryptographic money markets, it is essential to do your own exploration on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your speculation portfolio. Whether XEN is a reasonable venture for you relies upon your gamble resilience and the amount you plan to contribute, among different elements. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns. Furthermore, never put away cash that you can't stand to lose. In unpredictable cryptographic money markets, it is vital to do your own examination on a coin or token to